you're making the video? Okay. So this is one of the best. It's a very tasty thing and it's almost everywhere in the sea. Boil it or you make it on under fire, and this is boiled. You take it, you hold it on this thing that's not edible. If you want, you take it out and you take the lemon and you put the lemon here like that. And you see, it looks like it's like you put it inside like that. You put it inside like that. You put it inside like that. Plaga mascani. And you make it like that. So good. And then mussels start growing. It's like that. Take another one. Take it out. Put the lemon inside like that. Oh, and you eat it. It's perfect. It's okay.